Hey everyone, and welcome back to Travel Tip Tuesday. How are you doing this fine Tuesday, Jen?
I am good. 2025 is winding down, Megan.
Oh, I know, and it's cold. It's ushering us out in a chilly, chilly way. I do want to take a moment, though, as we prepare for 2026 and talk a bit about a trend I've been seeing for travel in the upcoming year. There'll be many,
Mhm.
but let's just talk about one. And I'm not super into trends, but I actually like this one. It isn't completely for me, but I love different perspectives and ideas on travel. The world, as we know, has become and is getting more expensive, and travel seems a bit like a luxury to a lot of people. So, how do they want to spend those precious travel dollars in the coming year? That's the big question. It seems like a lot of people are planning to travel, but make it more personal. So, what does that mean? It means doing what they love in their everyday life, and I guess taking it on the road with them. A bit less of an escape from their everyday life and more like an extension of their lives. So, whether that is relaxing, so finding a hotel that is the destination and making their trip based around that, and how they can maybe really do what they do at home and just relax and enjoy, but somewhere next level.
Mhm.
Do you love to read as another example? Some people are finding reading retreats, which I'm sorry does sound amazing,
Mhm.
or quiet hotels to spend their time doing their favorite activity. Another thing is, do you love spending time with your family, but maybe you don't get to see your parents or your grandparents enough? People are planning to travel with several generations to make what they are experiencing a family event. So, like taking their life on the road with them to have those special moments together. So, what can you do to plan travel like this? So, you can think about what makes you really happy in your everyday life. What do you enjoy doing? And who do you like doing it with? Could even just be yourself. I feel that deeply. Think about what you will be spending, how much you want to spend, and where do you want to spend your money to actually make this trend happen for you if it sounds appealing. So, overall, people are starting to plan differently, spending their money more thoughtfully with less escape and more enrichment or enhancement of their everyday lives. So, Jen, what are your thoughts on this trend?
Yeah, this is so interesting. And it's definitely not the way that I currently plan travel usually. But I do love the idea of booking like an interesting accommodation and like reading or crafting for like a weekend getaway. And it would be really nice to, like, truly relax without the distractions of usual, like, home stuff, like cleaning, the stuff that you do on the weekends, like laundry. I could definitely see myself, like, booking one weekend getaway a year like this, but definitely not all of my travel. What are you thinking about this, Megan?
For me, I'm not really ready to view travel that way yet.
Mm,
I like this trend because I can really see the appeal, and I love the idea of people really curating their trips to fit in their lives rather than escape from their lives. I do enjoy my life, so I'm not looking to escape it. I don't ever think of that way when I think of planning travel. And yes, I will do things while traveling that I'm sure I do at home. But for me personally, I'm looking for something, other than my daily life. However, to your point, you really made me think about it a little bit because I can see myself maybe booking some me time.
Mhm.
So, like a me weekend away and reading and snacking and relaxing and going for a nice walk or watching a TV show. So yes, the variation of my life, but just maybe somewhere different and just by myself. I think that could be really nice as well.
Mhm. Yeah, it does sound nice.
We will, in course, include an article detailing more about this new trend in our show notes. And that is it for this week's Travel Tip Tuesday. Let us know on social media what are your thoughts around this trend. And it's something that you'll be trying to incorporate more in your 2026 travels. As always, you can find us on social media at Travel Mug Podcast, our website, travellugpodcast.com, or leave us a review with any feedback. We would love to hear from you. And until next time, safe travels. Bye.
Bye.